So I need to put these brackets on here. So that can be difficult. Now, getting this in can be awkward. So you're going like this, and next thing, the bracket keeps slipping. You're trying to get it in the right place, and it's all very awkward. You've got to be a bit of a Houdini. So what do we do here? So double-sided tape, good sharp knife, get the bracket, okay, roll the double-sided tape out like this, okay, put the bracket on there, okay, get a piece of wood so you don't mark the unit. There's the bracket stuck to the tape, okay, and you just take the knife and then just cut. Okay, so here we are. Here is the bracket. Okay, and now press that on good and then peel off. Okay, and now we've got our sticky side here. Take the sticky side, and I've already marked this level pencil line here for the underneath of the shelf, and then you just place your bracket just there. So there it is there. Put your screw on the magnetic bit onto the impact driver, line it up in the hole, just touch the light. Okay, the magnet always wants to go to the metal, so here we go, press. Now there we are. Now, only do the same again. And here we have another one. Okay, take off. There's the sticky bit. And here we go. Press it on. Good. Same again. Line up. Just screw in. Going around a bit there, but anyway, that's the main thing. All with one hand. Now struggling with two arms trying to get into the space. And we take our shelf, already cut, and we push it in. Right, I'll do some more. One. Right. Harry Houdini. He must have been a carpenter. There's the brackets that we put on. Working against gravity and magnetic. There we go. Job's a good one. Trying to get out. Oh my god. Oh.